Okay, we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. So I put on a new hub, and he said this nut's gonna be torqued to 184. Well, my torque wrench only goes to 150. So what I did is I torqued it to 150 with the torque wrench, and then I marked it. These were lined up, and then I turned it a little bit more with my 2-foot breaker bar. And the problem was, after you step on the brakes, this would hang up. And I've already tried stepping on the brakes a few times, and it's not locked up. So I hope this is going to work for this problem, to solve this problem. You know how it is, you're not even supposed to touch these things, get greasy fingers on them. Anyway, so new loaded caliper, also new pads, and new rotor. Okay. And over here, that's the hub assembly that I'm replacing. There's the old one. I'll put in a new one. Okay. And then there's my loaded caliper. You can't get the rotors and the hubs, you can order together, and you can order loaded calipers, but I couldn't find them all in one set, so that's part of the reason I'm doing it this way. Plus it was hanging up. So I'm hanging it by a piece of wire. They always want you to hang it by a piece of wire, so I don't know why, but I got wire there. I don't know why you can't use something else. But I tried to rope and it wasn't so cool, so wire. There's even a little hole there for you to put the wire through. Okay. The big problem I've seen, well, this could have been hanging up, is actually this. This rotor ain't that great. Like right here, I can feel where there's kind of like a lower spot. You can see it right there. And then of course it gets high and it's all rusty up here. Could have had these turned, and I still might have them turned and put them in a box. I've done that with my other vehicles, because then you have rotors ready to go when you need them, brand new ones again. So looks like we got the problem solved with the test drive. We'll prove it, I hope. You know, when the car is running and you step on the brakes, then you get the power assist to your brake. I've only tried it with the car shut off, just pumping the pedal. So working on the Oldsmobile. This is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.